Hi guys! Good morning and welcome to Monday Matters with May. So, taod-taod na jud nga wala ta nag-connect no for 2 years, I think. Yeah, 2 years. Grabe, 2 years na gyud di ay. That since I had gone off air, okay, because everything happened. Okay, so I'm here now. Wala na ako kabalon sa akong paghimo og live. Di na ako kabalo. You might notice I'm wearing Christmassy things here. Oh, I have a new look, new bangs. Okay, so actually wala lang jud ko'y lingaw. Bitaw. I want to be productive maski walay lingaw. Okay, so dili bitaw karon pa ko nakahigayon sa tanang-tanang panghitabo sa kinabuhi, karon pa ko nakahigayon. Okay, so now we are live. So, kumusta naman ang tanan? How are you, my dear viewers? Og naa pa ba'y nabilin nga viewers? Siguro wala na. Okay, so hopefully naa pa tay viewers nga nahabilin for Monday Matters of May. So, what is Monday Matters of May? What is this all about? This was my pandemic baby. So, last 2020, I came up with this Facebook page wherein I help promote small businesses in Misamis Occidental. So, our small businesses are our backbone in our community because small businesses contribute to the taxes for the local community. So, without the small businesses, wala ang mga big businesses. All big businesses started from small. So, we have our micro, medium, and small enterprises. So, in Misamis Occidental, we have a lot of businesses already there. We have a lot of local products. We're in Monday Matters of May. Wishes to promote every product that is locally made in Misamis Occidental. Okay, so Monday Matters of May goes or went live every Monday at 10 to 11 a.m. during the pandemic. Then everything happened, nawala, and now this is the very first live Monday Matters of May here in Toronto, Canada. So welcome to my room. This is my room here in Toronto. I am renting here, so it's a very good place, very good room, spacious, and a lot of sunshine. So it's good that there is sunshine today here in Toronto because now it is winter and winter is really gloomy here. Okay, so we will now proceed. So speaking of local businesses in Misamis Occidental, I'd like to greet the Provincial Director of Department of Trade and Industry of Misamis Occidental, our region of Misamis Occidental, Tita Jane Marie Tabukan. Hello, Tita Jane. I hope you are still tuning in to Monday Matters of May. Dugay na kay tanawala karon pa nakabalik. And I'd like also to greet ang pinakagrabe nga mo push sa ako katong naa pa ko sa province. Hello to DTI Administrative Officer, Sir Methosael Bong Lumantas. Hi, Sir Bong. Thank you very much for always encouraging me to do my craft, to show my talent to the world. Churbaness, bitaw. Sir Bong and Tita Jane, they always push the KMME graduates. What is the KMME? It's the Kapatid Mentor Me program to shine, to make known to the world our local products. So thank you very much, Tita Jane and Sir Bong. And hi to all the KMME millionaires. So grabe na, to the world nagyud ang KMME. So example lang, Purple Yum had gone a very long way. Gabs, Cheesy Ensaymada, daghan na kaayong naabtan nga mga places. Okay? So, ginagmay lang na, si Nina, it's gone also national. Okay? So, Step by step, slowly but surely, Misamis Occidental is on the map. Okay? On the map naman yun ang Misamis Occidental. So, hi to all local entrepreneurs of Misamis Occidental. Okay, so, we're talking about Misamis Occidental. I am wearing this Christmas thingy, so what am I going to do? Unsa man akong content karon actually. Kay dugay naman ta nagkita. Dayon bag-ura na man ang Christmas, nangulahi ko no, nangulahi kay karon palagi kahigayon. We are going, help me to unwrap the gifts I received last Christmas. Okay, so I am just overwhelmed because it's my first time to receive a lot of Christmas presents since pag-abot na ko sa Canada last year. So good last year o karon. Daghan kong madawat nga Christmas presents. Well, before when I was a kid, daghan man yung madawat nga Christmas presents from ninongs and ninangs. But here, diri ra gyud ko naka-experience as what I've said earlier nga grabe gyud ang blessings. Kay manghatag gyud sila diri guys. Grabe, manghatag gyud sila og mga gifts. So, mag-open ta og Christmas presents from the people nga naila-ila nako di ari. Okay, so gaguot na mi diri no sa akong bag. Okay, so the first Christmas present I received, it's a Christmas card. So it came from my financial advisor. Char na, financial advisor gyud. Okay, so kinihanglan ang financial advisor diri sa Canada kay kinihanglan ang insurance. Insurance is life here. Okay, so for you to be protected, everything insurance. So thank you very much, Eliza Hilario, for remembering me last Christmas. Okay, so mo na ang first. And then we had our Christmas party at JIL. So grabe kaayo ang mga brothers and sisters nato sa JIL kay manghatag yun sila og gifts. So first, nabrihan na nin ako ang uban guys, na excited. Okay, so yayamanin ang ako ang ate Tommy Hilfiger nga handbag or singalan ani pouch. Okay, so thank you very much Ate Roda for your Christmas gift. And next is from Ate Susan. Ate Susan is yayamanin din. Oh, look. Tommy gihapon, mga branded sila diri no. Oh, it's very nice. It's a shirt and another shirt. Oh, very nice. Gamit kayo ni nako, especially pag summer because I did not bring a lot of t-shirts dire. Kay ang summer dire kadyo ra kaayo mahuman. Ang dugay kay mahuman ang winter. So daghan tang mga suot-suot. Thank you Ate Susan. Next, we have body cream. Bath and Body Works body cream from Joya and Anthony Frias. Thank you so much. And thank you Sis Joya for always reading my website, my blog, www.theothersideofme.com. And we also have another Bath and Body Works. It's a hand soap from Glenda. Thank you, Glenda. And speaking of that, dili ra ka na ang gihatag ni Glenda. Naapod siya gihatag from New Year's Eve. We spent New Year's Eve ila ang Glenda and look what she got me. A lot of medyas. Dagan kay medyas, guys. Duha ka dosina. Kay naka-mention man ko niya nga ang ako problema kanang mahutdan ko og medyas dire, dili ko makapanglaba og medyas kay tungod sa kabisi. Kay you know na study and work mao gyud na akong life for 1.5 years going 2 years. So mao nang nawala jud ko sa Pasig, nawala ko sa radar tungod ana gi-priority na ko akong tuition ra gid for me akong utok. So duha ka dosina nga medyas. Thank you, Glenda. And I have also, oh, it's so nice. Oh, para sa tugnaw nga panahon jud diri sa Canada. Oh, thank you, Glenda. And leggings, mga warmer, mga leggings kay kinihanglan jud. Wow, daghan kaayo. 1, 2, upat ni kabuok. Okay, so I need this. 2-pack ra ang yang giingon pero murag upat. Okay, so ato lang nang i-find out later. So thank you so much, Glenda, for the leggings, for the sweatshirt, and for the 2 dozens of socks. Yay! So gamit kayo winter. Kay kani leggings, dahil magkarsunis pa, dayon mag-jogger pa. Mauna akong for me outfit. Kanagawas. Okay. Now next, we have tumbler from Demerin family. Thank you so much. And we also have a vacuum flask from Cariaso family. Thank you very much. So grabe gid akong mga brethren no sa JIM. Kay kuan gyud kayo na sila. Manggihatagon. And from Ate Linda and Kuya Efren. Ate Linda. Oy, they are Tagalog. I must speak in Tagalog. Hi, Ate Linda. Hi, Kuya Efren. Wow! Another body warmer for winter. This is a very need. And oh, yayamanin. Ate Linda, thank you very much. I have new scarf to keep me warm, bundled up this winter. Thank you, Ate Linda and Kuya Efren, for your gifts. And unsa pa sa brethren, Jason. Jason, thank you very much sa imong gift. Na-open na nako. Dayon. So wala pa na ako gi-open, kabalo na ako unsay sulod. Dayon, akong gihatag ni Tristan. Bitaw kay dako ra kayo siya, bagay to sa iya kay dako siya nga tawo. So thank you very much, Jason, na libre ang akong pang-gift para kang Tristan. Hi! And Jason, unsa pa? Okay. And from, oh, gift card. Gift card from, McDo gift card. Oh, napay pa gift card from Ate Reyna. Thank you very much, Ate Langga, Ate Reyna. And, of course, family is family, Mandri family is love. Basta mo, adto mi ilang Ate Susan, naapod ang iyang family. And, gikan kang Ate Che. Thank you very much, Ate Che. Wao kabalo sandok ba ni, pero akong nahuna-hunaan, himuon ako siya og kanang incense bitaw. Ako ang ipatindog diri ang incense, dayon diri mo salo ang mga ashes sa incense. So, gamit na ako for my meditation practice. Thank you very much, Ate Che. And aside from that, Ate Che, ka-Ate Bobby, gift card again from McDo. Thank you, Ate Bobby. So, duha na akong gift card sa McDo. Okay, so mauto sila from my JIL family. Taghan kayo gifts. Alright, so, unsa pa man ang content, nagpahambog ra ko sa akong mga gifts. Dapat na pud tay purpose no ani nga live na to nga video kay dugay-dugay tang nawala dayon igo ako magpahambog og gifts. No. Okay, so kita tanan nakahibalo naman gyud ta sa nahitabo sa atong province Misamis Occidental. Na grabe ang baha nga nahitabo adtong Pasko gyud kaayo, December 25, 2022. So with that, I am a member of Women Empowering Women Philippines Incorporated. Okay, so this is our organization. It is a non-profit and non-stock organization founded by my very good friend since way back in college days in Iligan City, Atty. Loueli Talam-Jabines. Okay, so way back 2019, kay naghiusa naman mi sa Misamis, we sat down along with Mitch, along with Vioen and Ange and Ilda May. We sat down and brainstorm on what will be WEW Philippines all about. So, WEW Philippines is all about empowering women. So, we have our outreach programs, we have our community services, our community activities that will or that aims to empower women. So we started doing our live webinars on Facebook. So we have our Facebook page, WEW Philippines. So follow that one. Okay? So ako ara nang isulat unya kung unsa na nga Facebook page. Or if you want the link, you may go to my website www.theothersideofme.com. Naa ang mga link dito sa WEW Philippines. So, WEW Philippines Incorporated in partnership with Misamis Occidental Barter Community. So, Misamis Occidental Barter Community was also spearheaded by Atty. Toti last pandemic year, 2020. Okay, so during that year, we had started out projects like giving free food to our less fortunate brothers and sisters in Misamis Occidental. So aside from that, we also gave pangkabuhayan showcase like the Carabao nga among nahatag sa farmer, the sari-sari store to the Manang nga kung inyong ma-remember katong magtulod-tulod og kariton, and we also gave her a home in Misamis. Okay, so we have a lot of sponsors and donors. So dili ra na amo ang grupo kung dili uban pang mga private individuals nga naghatag sa ilang suporta sa Misamis Occidental Barter Community o sa WEW Philippines. So, for this live live broadcast of Monday Matters with May, kay all things matter yun. All things matter. And I really have at heart for my province, Misamis Occidental. So, in connection lang yun sa tanan, as the goal of Monday Matters with May to promote the products of Misamis Occidental, to promote small businesses of Misamis Occidental, we are calling for donations for the flooding in Misamis Occidental. So today, at this very moment, around 65,000 was collected already. 65,000 pesos was collected, and it has been accounted for, and all the donations were distributed already to the municipality of Tudela, Sinacaban, and to Oroquieta City. So there were evacuation centers that were visited already by WEW Philippines, wherein they were given the relief goods, ready-to-eat meals, the clothes, ug mga banig. Okay, so ug tubig, especially tubig, kay maog yun ang kinihanglan sa mga tao, drinking water. So, daghan na kaayong na reach out ang WEW Philippines o Misamis Occidental Barter Community pinaagi sa tabang sa daghan pang mga tao. Okay? So, dili ra ang organization, kung dili private individuals, anonymous donors who extended your help. So you may go to Atty. Loueli Talam-Jabines Facebook page for more details because she posted it. Daghan dito kung kinsa ang mga donors. But mostly anonymous yun ang mga nagkuan. So sa uban nga wala pa nakadonate kay na busy pod, dayon naghuna-huna pa nga kung aha nila ipaagi ang ilang donations. So this is the WEW Gcash. Makita ninyo guys. Nasulat-sulat yun ko guys no. Oh my god, baliktad. Oo. Mabali ba na unya? I don't know. Okay, so that is optics guys. So this is the WEW Gcash 0998557730. O sa ato ang mga kababayan nga naadiri sa Canada, for those Facebook friends and Instagram friends I have here in Canada, for your convenience, you may interact any amount of your donation to mayolandeska@gmail.com. Okay, so your $5, your $10 will really go a long way with our extension for help for the Misamis Occidental flooding. Okay, so continue na ta sa ato ang unwrapping of presents. So ningkuan na ang ako ang tiil guys. Extend sa takadyo. Okay, next. From my JIL family, we go now to my real family, biological family, who are in Mississauga, the Rikina family. Okay, so let's start with, of course, gift from Uncle Baludoy and Auntie Lily Rikina. Okay, so dili gid mawala ang pa-card. Naagid sila pa-card diari guys. Okay, let's open the card. Dear me, Christmas is the perfect time to send a fond hello and tell you that you're someone who is really nice to know. You're warm and very friendly. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2023 from Uncle Baludoy and Auntie Lily. Thank you very much, Uncle and Auntie. And wala jud ko nag-expect sa pag-gift ni Uncle Baludoy. Yayamanin po kay siya guys, you know. Walmart gift card na ako'y pang grocery for my entire January or maabtan pa ni February po. So thank you so much Uncle Baludoy for my Walmart gift card. And from Auntie Lily, I have sweatshirt again. Sweatshirt kay tugnaw gyud for me diri. Thank you so much. And oh, a fleece hoodie. Wow, this is very warm. Thank you very much, Auntie Lily. Thank you for your gift. Warm you guys siya. Very warm like you. Charot. Okay, so I have that. And I have also from Atelita, the firstborn daughter of Uncle Baludoy and Auntie Lily. So, naana po'y shawl. Oh, kay tungod lagi tugnaw diri pang tugnaw gyud tanan guys no ang akong nadawat. Thank you so much Atelita. And pang self-care formula. Okay, body wash, lotion, as well as body scrub. O, nindot kayo ni ate. Ay, Tagalog man day sila. Thank you very much po ate because this is very useful for my self-care. Charot, self-care yun. And of course, the card. We have a card also. Dear May, Christmas blessings to you throughout the season and in the new year. God bless from Kuya Romeo and Ate Lita. Thank you po very much for your Christmas gift. And it's not yet over guys. There's still more because Inana sila di ari guys. Generous. Okay, we also have chocolates, Lindt chocolates from Ate Lita and Kuya Romeo. Thank you very much for your Christmas present. So, daghan jud kaayo no. Okay, and next from Cha Neneng. Cha Neneng is the pamangkin of sakit na gyud ang tiil. Is the pamangkin of Auntie Lily. So, maski dili mi kami gyud ang relative, pero gitagaan po ko niya gift. Thank you so much, Cha Neneng. I have more chocolates. And, pampagwapa. Magwapa na gyud ko ani, musamot na og kabataan eh. Cha Neneng is Bisaya. Salamat kaayo, ante, for the cream. Day cream and night cream. So, pakuan no, pagwapa para makuan na to ang cookies. Ay! And I have also, kani guys, very plenty of gift from one family only, from the Lim family. Thank you very much, Kuya Jimmy and Atty Army. So, I have this one from Kuya Jimmy and Atty Army. So guys, dili na to kalimtan kung unsa ang ato ang tumong ani atong live. It is call for donation for the Misamis Occidental flooding. Interact ni olandeska@gmail.com and WEW Gcash 099855777360. Okay, so for those who are watching right now in this live, please, Charot, please, Jude, send in your donations now. And thank you very much for watching. Okay, kay nana po ko i-reveal niya. Charot. Okay, this is from Kuya Jimmy and Atty Army. Oh, this is very nice. It is a night or reading light, hook mini weigh scale, and wired earbuds. Oh my God. Ganina ra ko gasugod guys. Karon pa ko ka-realize wala na on ang akong ring light. I-on daw na ko ha. Kung naabay difference. Sorry guys. Dugay na kay ko wala naka-live man good guys. Dili na ko kabaloon saon. Oh, mas tsada di ay na ay ring light. Oh, mas klaro akong nawong, mas klaro akong bangs. Hapit na noon tanahuman no. Okay ra na siya. Okay, so ta from Ate Army and Kuya Jimmy. And there are still more from Kuya Army and Ate Jimmy. Oh, Ate Army, dalawa yung nabigay mo. Dalawa po yung nabigay mo nito, Ate Army. But anyway, I might as well give the other one. Kaya ako hatag ni Tristan, ate ha. Wala kasabot si ate. Joke. And of course, there's also the card, Christmas card. Dear May, wishing you peace to last throughout the year. Happy holidays. Love, Kuya Jimmy and Atty Army. Thank you so much. Hindi na ako, guys. Nagisi-gisi na ni guys. Just enjoying, you know. Ta-da! Oh, it's so nice. Pang outfit. Summer outfit. Pwede pang spring. Okay, so, kuan na puntaan ni. Excited for spring, excited for summer. And there's still more from Atty Army. What is this, ate? Ba't ang dami? Thank you so much, ate. Ang dami. I'm just like a kid, you know. Opening presents. Oh, it's so nice. It's a ring. So, naatay pa sing-sing dira. Okay. It's so nice. Thank you, ate. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ate Army and Kuya Jimmy. Thank you, Ate Lita. Thank you, Uncle Baludoy and Auntie Lily and Chat Neneng. And if you have more blessings to share, this is our WEW Gcash 099855777360. And for your convenience, faster transaction, interact, mayolandeska@gmail.com. So, I can send your donations to WEW Philippines na mausa na tanan og send. Unsay Tagalog adto, guys? I don't know. Ug unsa po English sa mausa, guys? I don't know. And naapod di ay ta Harry Potter. Ano man hina-appeal. Bitaw. It's a gift for myself. Gift na ko sa kong self. Harry Potter. I watch Harry Potter before Christmas. It's my gift to myself for working hard. And for finally, guys, paying my tuition. Lami tayo ang tan-awon nga you have no balance in your account. Char kaayo. Basta kana lahi na pud na nato in istoryahan. And we have a gift from him. Ito pa man na Atty. Oh, Uniqlo. Oh, gloves, pangtugnaw po. And, guys, murag familiar lagi siya, guys. Familiar din siya, guys. Oh, naatay. Pang winter jacket. Murag, gikan man isa kong self. Bitaw. Gi-appeal dyan na ako siya. Gikan sa akong self. I bought this winter jacket o gloves, winter gloves, kay nga no. Ang katong gihatag ni Ate Jo na ako last year na winter jacket, akong gibutang sa washing machine, akong gilaban. O sa dihang nangapakpak na noon siya. So, I need winter jacket for this winter, yun. So, kay nahuman naman ako bayad akong tuition, nakapalit ko og winter jacket. So, thank you, self! Thank you for loving yourself, self. Alright, and last but not least, bugat lagi ni charot, wala pa kabaloon si sulod. I have kani ang nakabugat. I have sparkling wine from Tristan. Kani Tristan, guys. Ug naapay uban diri nga gikan ni Tristan. Pero abrihan sa natin sparkling wine kay kuan naman ko giuhaw na ko og tinabi. 30 minutes na kong tinabi, guys. Hi to my viewers. Of course, naapatay viewers na habilin. Kay maski 2 years na tang na off air, 2 years na tang nawala sa radar, naapagihapon tay viewers, di ba? Hello my viewers, nadungagan pa. Aside from my viewers from Misamis Occidental, I have viewers from other parts of the Philippines, and now I have viewers from Toronto, Canada. So oh my God, magbasa-basa ko nga ri, guys. Magpalayo sa ko, ha. Abrihon sa ninako. Agoy. Kay magbasa-basa ta diri, kadshoot lang. So dili na to kalimtan kung unsa atong tumong ani atong programa karon. WEW GCash 0998557730 interact mayolandeska@gmail.com. Lisod kay siya i-open guys, nahadlok ko. Yay! Happy New Year! Gabasa-basa jud siya. Oh my god. Happy New Year! Gandam na ko og wine glass. Yay! Happy New Year 2023! Mga ka Monday Matters with me, mga taga DTI ug mga ka WEW Philippines. Nice. Dayon nga basa-basa jud ko. Okay, moving on. Nahaman na ko ibutang. O diresa. Call for donations baya ang tumong ani nato karon ha for Misamis Occidental flooding. Okay, moving on. Unsa pa ang gift ni Tristan nako? So, mao to no. Call for donations ta again for Misamis Occidental flooding, interact mayolandeska@gmail.com, and Women Empowering Women GCash 0998557730, and you may also message WEW Philippines FB Page for their BDO account number. Kay naapoy BDO. Unsa pa ang gift ni Tristan? Oh, he gave me body wash. So, uso kaayo ang mga pa-body wash dari dapita. And oh, wow! Ladies sleeper socks. Christmas socks. Oh, tsada siya guys. Pangtugnaw gihapon. Christmas stockings. O, diba? Kuan kayo ni. Katupong niagi gitagaan ko niyag medyas. Puro medyas. Kay tugnawunon jud akong tiil guys. So kabalo siya tugnawunon akong tiil. Thank you Tristan. Do not watch this. And a lot of chocolates. You always give me chocolates. So dawhad kay na pud chocolate. Unsa man ni? Oh, bag-o, licorice. On my birthday, he gave me wine. He gave me chocolates. And he gave me this. Oh, he knows I like this. And he also knows I like the one. Cheese curls, my favorite snack when I was a kid. And chocolate again. And ay, pampagwapa na pod. Itong birthday na ko, itagaan po ko niyag mga pampagwapa. Oh, naapil dire. Katong nananaw mi og avatar guys na 3D. Wala jud na mo nigibilin dito para ma-recycle. Oh, naunsa na ko. Weird. Okay, so that is all my Christmas presents. Dayon na pa ko'y pangkabuhayan showcase guys. Palangga jud kay ko sa akong mga ate diri di ko nila pagutman. Condensed milk, graham crackers, mangga na lay ko lang no. Nanagid tay. Mango float. Dayon naulaw jud ko og kuhaan eh. Sa kay pangpamilya kay nga ketchup pero sige na lang. Thank you so much Ate Bubi, Glenda, ano dyan po yung asukar sa wakas, pangpamilya kayo. O, natay palabok. Duha ni siya actually, giluto na naman ni Tristan ang isa. O, macaroni. So, thank you Ate Bubi, Ate Che, Glenda. Well, I have presents from my JIL family. I have presents from my Rikina family, my relatives, and I have presents from friends and from myself. Of course, dili gyud nato ko ano natong self, no? Ato adyong i-treat atong self. Okay. So, again, Misamis Occidental flooding, they still need more help from us. Okay, kay ang recovery period, ano guys, maoy ko anjun. To help them recover, GCash of WEW Philippines 0998-5577360 and Interact katong naa diri sa Canada for your convenience, mayolandesca@gmail.com para mausa na nako padala. Kay actually ako pod wala pa ko nakahatag sa akong contribution kay then and again giuna na ko ang akong tuition ug bayad. So bag-o ra ko na human og bayad sa akong tuition, so hopefully mataas na pod ang exchange rate para dako pod ang maabot dito, di ba? So, with all that, thank you so much to all the people for these gifts, to my JIL family, to my relatives in Mississauga, and to my friends and friends. Thank you so much for all your support to me in my journey here in Canada sa ako ang pagpuyo di ari single journey. Charot! In my single journey, what a journey it has been. Hapit na jud ko mahuman og eskwela. Kung wala mo, Tagalogon na to, kay naapoy mga Tagalog. Kung wala po kayo sa life ko dito sa Canada, matagal na akong umuwi ng Pilipinas. So, thank you so much for all the love and support. And of course, in behalf of WEW Philippines and Misamis Occidental Barter Community, thank you so much to our sponsors, donors, and volunteers for the outreach that we did for sa pagresponde sa Misamis Occidental flooding. Okay, so thank you for the initiatives of Atty. Loueli, Talam-Jabines, to the board members of WEW Philippines, to the active members of WEW Philippines, to all the people who made this happen. Kay ikaupat jud ta nakahatod og mga donations sa ato ang province. And thank you very much to my viewers, to my top fans. Naa pa ba'y nabilin dira? Kaway-kaway naman. Basig naa pa si Arianes. Hi, Arianes. And to all my DTI family, to all the small business owners of Misamis Occidental, kaya ni nato. Okay, so of course, we thank God for 2022. We thank God for everything that had happened to us. And there are things that are not under our control. So, atuan lang po ng pamalundungan, we reflect on everything that happened to us. And we are still grateful we are alive. And we mourn for those families, with those families who lost their loved ones during the flooding. And in our own little ways, we can help. We can be of use. Okay, so thank you very much to my viewers for Monday Matters with me. Thank you so much for the people watching my vlog, reading my blog. And wala lang, gimingaw lang ko. I miss my life before, but here I am now. Maski layo ko sa inyo, but my heart is still with you. So, undangon na ni nato ay akong muhilak. Thank you very much. Kaya ni nato, Misamis Occidental. Adja. Bye!